Hi children, welcome back to the GK class. So today we are studying about GK. But what in GK? As you can see on the image, I am showing you the globe, the whole universe, the whole world. What is the speciality of this? Yes. Today we are learning about the topmost important and they granted first place in the language and literature, my dear students. So today we are going to study about the first of the whole world. Okay, there are 5 members who stand at the first place in the whole world, showing their language and literary love. So let us start, my dear students. As you can see, your 15th topic, great poets. They are great in the whole universe. Okay, in the last video we studied only about India. But now we are going to study about the great poets, authors, writers in the whole world. You can see the heading here. Identify and name the following famous poets. First one, he is one of the most popular American poets. His poem, The Village Blacksmith, is very popular. Who is he? You can see in the image, right? He is Henry Longfellow. He is the very famous writer. He is the very famous poet, writer, author. As you can see on the image, his photo, he is Henry Longfellow. Okay, you have to write in the first blank Henry Longfellow. He is very famous for his poems and short stories. Okay, next coming to the second one, he is an English poet who was the pioneer of the romantic poetry, which is based on nature. His famous series of book is The Prelude. He was one of the poet laureates of Great Britain. He is William Wordsworth. Yes, in future you will get in your books also about his poems. You can see in very romantic poetry he used to be right, and he was the one of the great poets in the Great Britain. So he is William Wordsworth. You can see on the image his picture. He is very famous for his romantic poetry. Okay, William Wordsworth is the second answer. Next, coming to the third one. He wrote his first poem at the age of 8 and had one published at the age of 14. His most famous work was Gitanjali, won Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. He wrote mostly in Bengali. Yes, you people know him. Who has written our national anthem? Right, Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, he is the very great Indian poet, writer, author, scholar, philosopher, and his famous work is Gitanjali, collections of small poems. Okay, he mostly writes in Bengali and English. Now coming to the fourth one. The English poet and playwright is recognized as the greatest of all dramatists. Born in Stratford-on-Avon, England, he is famous for his comedies and tragedies. Some of his works are Romeo and Juliet, Macbeth, Othello, and King Lear. He was also known as for his 154 sonnets. Yes, you can easily identify him. We all know that who has written the Romeo and Juliet. Obviously, William Shakespeare. So the fourth answer is William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare even don't know to read and write at his young age. But today we can't pass or we can't succeed in our Masters of Arts without reading about William Shakespeare. Okay, my dear students. So fourth answer is William Shakespeare. Now, fifth one. By the time he was 15, he had produced several plays and an epic. He was appointed the Poet Laureate of Great Britain, succeeding William Wordsworth. Yes, he is Lord Alfred Tennyson. Okay, fifth answer is Lord Alfred Tennyson. So, here, when William Wordsworth left the Great Britain, the empire, Poet Laureate was given to Lord Alfred Tennyson. Okay, at the very young age of 15, he produced several plays and he was succeeded by William Wordsworth. We can also say that he was successor of William Wordsworth. So here are the clue box which I have already said you. These are the wonderful great poets of the whole world. Now complete both the 14th and 15th units and then send it to me, children.